Hey guys, it's Ashley. If you want to see how I decorated this Skinny Classic spread in these neutral tones with these cute stickers from Coco's Vision, then stay tuned. Hey y'all, so I'm back with my Skinny Classic. This is my catch-all planner, and I have a cute idea for a spread. I'll be using this sticker book by Coco's Vision. It has these really cute doll stickers, a few quotes, but mostly dolls. And you can see I've used some of these already. And then I also have this neutral boxes book by Mojo Jojo Plans. It's got the browns and grays and blacks in there. And we are going to get started. So I've already whited out the center, and I think I'm going to go ahead and white out September and 2024 because this spread is not going to be super colorful. It'll actually be very demure and very mindful. And this is just my Tombow correction tape. I'll link everything down below. So I'm trying to decide if I want this tape in the center. I think I'm gonna do half and half. Cute already. Okay, so I'm gonna lay my boxes down. So I pulled this doll and this doll from the Coco's Vision book, and I'm gonna place both of these, one on one side and one on the other one. This one seems to coordinate a little bit better with the brown boxes, so it's not feeling too overloaded on that side. And then this one gives a little more gray. And I have them in opposing corners to kind of balance things out. And I'm leaving them up just a little because I'm going to this Happy Planner book. And, oh, not that book, this one that is pressed florals. And I want to add some florals, and I know that I kind of want to layer them around on the page. I'm just trying them out in a few spots to see where I really want them to be. And I'll kind of lay them around and make sure the page is balanced as I'm doing so. See how we're liking that. This will still be kind of cute right here. I don't want it to be too much of that blue. Okay. Let's see if we want these to overlap. Nope. And remember, I said this is going to be a very demure and very mindful spread. So I'm actually going to hand letter those words in right now. I have these Tombow food brush markers, and I'm going to letter demure with the word demure with the brown color, and I'm just kind of sketching it out in my mind there to make sure I have enough space. And now remember, when you go down with the brush tip, you do a thicker, you press harder to get a thicker stroke, and when you are moving the brush pen up, you go with a thinner stroke with lighter pressure. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm writing the word demure again in that brown color, and then I will pick up the gray and write mindful. And I'm lettering this real time, so you can see how long it actually takes me to write each of these words. This part is not sped up. And now I'm taking the gray food Tombow marker, and I'm kind of sketching it out again, the word mindful. And now I'm going in with those thick down strokes and thin up strokes to create this kind of bouncy lettering style that I do sometimes. If you want kind of a tutorial on lettering, I do have a brush lettering basics book that I wrote, and it's available in my store. It's for download, so you can use it and practice and download as many times as you want to. Okay, so now that I have those words down, I want to go back and try to fill in with a few more flowers to kind of take up the space and make this a little more full and complete looking. So I'm going to take this white gel pen and white out the word notes down there at the bottom. I need to put some checklist boxes or circles in here. And I don't typically use that bottom section for notes anyway. It's normally a checklist or a to-do section. I'm thinking I may need to do those with the food pens. But I'm kind of thinking that I want to look and see in this Mojo Jojo Natural Boxes book if there are any check boxes or checklists. And I don't see any there, so there actually might be some flowers in this Pressed Florals book that are small enough that can be used as check boxes or little kind of like dots. But I'm not seeing anything like that either. At least not enough of them in colors that I've already chosen. So I have the one there. It's just another blue flower. And I don't have another blue flower left in that book. So I'm going to put that down as Deco. And I do feel like I need a few more flowers on this spread. But just look a little bit more. And I'm going to go ahead and put the September and the 2024 down. So I have one more September left in this Happy Planner book here. I can't believe it's September already. And then for 2024, I'm going to take the dates. Two of these dates here, I'm taking 20 and then 24 and putting them down beside each other. Okay, so now I'm going to take the food pens by Tombow again, and just make 3 boxes per section on each day. And I'm going to alternate those colors. So on the next day, I'll put brown. I still feel like I'm missing something right in this spot down here, so I'm going to look for a few more florals. And I have this value pack, oh so many stickers in the botanicals, and there are some line art stickers in here that I like that would be super cute, so I'm going to lay those down and kind of layer them probably on top of the other stickers while also filling in space. All right, so we're all done with this spread. I'm just putting them back in my planner. I punched the holes back in with my Happy Planner punch. If you enjoyed this plan with me, then subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And I've linked everything below. See you guys next time.